What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the ATH-G1 gaming headset by Audio-Technica. Now this is the first time we've looked at an Audio-Technica headphones on this channel. I'm excited because there's supposed to be some premium headphones. First off, this is fully compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One, PC, Mac, pretty much anything with a 3.5mm jack you can use this with. Now these have a large 45mm driver. They're supposed to be tuned to bring studio quality sound. Ooh, those look clean. Ooh, those feel lovely. All right, so first off we have a Y-type stereo headset cable and a detachable microphone. It's very flexible. It's also gold plated. It's a highly directional microphone, so it should provide crystal clear communication, what they say. Ooh, I like these. Okay, so this cable, it's a 6-foot 6-inch cable or a 2-meter cable. It's the really nice like rubber feeling cable, very premium feeling for sure. Now because of this material, you're gonna have a lot less kinks in it, like over time. You got inline audio control with a mute on and off switch and a volume wheel. I like having that. It's a lot easier to control when you're in the middle of a game. And of course at the end of the cable you've got your gold plated 3.5mm plug. Oh man, but those look super clean, don't they? Oh, I like that blue. It's very vibrant. I'm digging it. They're very lightweight. I believe that's an aluminum band. Super cushiony. Oh yeah, I like that. The ear cups. Oh, it's got that fabric on it. Look at that. Oh, it's got a nice firmness to it, but the fabric that they used on this is very soft. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, I can tell this is gonna be comfortable. Plus, since it's not like the leather or pleather all the way through, you're gonna have a lot less condensation buildup, you know, like your ears get warm over time and then eventually it starts to sweat a little bit. This will actually prevent that. So with that said, these look like they'd be really comfortable to wear for hours on end. You can extend it. Very nice, very simple. You've got the swivel action going. Right here is where you plug in the microphone if you wanna use it. Plugs in just like that. All right, let's give this a shot. Oh, look how flexible that is. Oh yeah, it's got nice flexibility. Oh my goodness, okay, yeah. These are as comfortable as they look. They're not gonna pass the shake test, obviously. They're not for sports, they're for gaming, but they're very lightweight. Maybe in a game rage moment, you might need to, you might, It happens, okay? It happens, it's important. Wow, I'm really shocked. This is the first time I've actually experienced that type of flexibility. It feels really nice and it doesn't have a tight pitch. It pitches just right. Oh man, yeah, these are nice. Man, let's plug these things in. Whoa! Whoa, that's loud. Oh, they got some power. I almost totally forgot. So I'm actually gonna use my Sennheiser Ambio smart headphones. For those who don't know, I use these when I'm testing out some headphones because they have 3D microphones on the outside of them. So I'm gonna put these on my ears, not in my ears so they don't close it up, but I'm gonna put them on my ears so you guys can better hear what I'm hearing. Okay, real quick, I'm sitting here editing and I'm listening to the audio that I recorded with my headphones and it's doing it no justice at all. The headphones sound way better than what I'm hearing out of those microphones, so I really need to figure out a better way to record that so you guys can hear it in exactly the way that I'm hearing it, or at least closer than this. But I figured I needed to mention that to you guys so you guys can know, because it does not sound nearly as clear as what the headphones really sound like. They're really amazing. So I needed to put that in there. If you guys know if you have any suggestions on how I can actually improve that, let me know down in the comments below. I need to figure out a way to record inside the headphone what I'm hearing so you guys can hear it better. So anyway, I needed to mention that to you guys. Back to the video. Wow, that's a clean sound. Everything is so smooth sounding. I mean, it's so clear. Wow. All right, you know what? Let's do a little bit. Let's test the bass on these. Yeah, these are good. It held up to the bass boosted really well. That's so pretty. Man, these are good. They definitely have a studio quality to them for sure. And even with these inside of here, they're still super comfortable. All right, let's test out the microphone. Okay, so right now you're listening to me on my typical setup, and now you're listening to me on the G1. So this is what I sound like if me and you were online, we're playing a game together. This is what I would sound like. Now I've got the microphone, I can do mute, so mute seems to work really well. All right, let's hear the playback. That sounds really good. Man, I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed with these. I've never actually tested out Audio-Technica before, and I'm definitely glad I did. These are really nice. The 45mm drivers that are in there, they're definitely powerful. They've got some serious power. They hold up to the bass really well. They got really great clear highs and mids. It's very clear. Now on Amazon right now, they've got a 4-star rating. They're 169 bucks with Prime, but they've also got a wireless version of this for about $250. But these are great. These sound wonderful. Let me take that off. These sound great. I really like these. Audio-Technica, you guys did a great job. I hope I get some more Audio-Technicas in, because I'd love to find out what else they've got. Maybe more budget friendly or even more of a higher end model. I'd really love to test some more of these out. These are really nice. And I am definitely gonna enjoy these later on in some Diablo 3. And then the upcoming Ghost Recon, you gotta play that. That's gonna be really good. Anyway guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.